Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, March 4th. So what's going on? Looking at forexfactory.com. At 8:15 this morning, we had ADP non-farm employment change, which came in at 63K versus 50K was expected. So yeah, employment's not doing quite as good as everybody wants it to do. 9:45, we've got final services PMI, 10 a.m. ISM services PMI. 10:30, we've got crude oil inventories. 2 p.m., the beige book, and that is it for today. Again, the scheduled news are relatively benign due to the Iran situation in the Middle East. So that sort of supersedes everything else. That being said, we do have one red item, ISM services PMI at 10 a.m. Going forward, looking at the daily chart. So you can see that we had a down day yesterday. We're gapping up this morning. Where can we go? This low volume node at 68.70, certainly a big attraction point, possibly going on up to 68.88. On the downside, certainly there's a couple of clusters of lows here, 67, 68-ish. We break that low volume node there at 67.42. Of course, if we can break these two lows, certainly could be lookout below scenario. High above average, very decent volume yesterday on the down day and the reversal. So yeah, volume definitely picking up. And you can see here that action was definitely negative yesterday, but not as bad as it could have been. And all through this move back to the upside, they were adding inventory. So inventory was positive on the day. Again, buy the dip, folks, jumping in. Again, we'll see how this pattern ends up working out over the long haul. That being said, looking at the overnight action, we had approximately 83 points. Again, super high overnight volatility in the market. Yesterday was over 100. Today it's 83, so it's less, but still it's about 4 times average. Average is 22 to 25. What is going on? So where do we have support and resistance? Resistance on the top side, we've got this little 68.50-ish area, 55. Above that, 68.65, 68.70, 68.80, 68.90, 6,900 will be the big round number. On the downside, 6,800, 67.80, 67.50, confluence around 67.20. Of course, 6,700 would also be a big fat round number support. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 57.1, 57.1. So a slight positive bias today from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. And remember to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.